going to become a good time to play right now. Well, what can we play right now? Since I have a lot of useless game right now. If I watch only live, then what will happen? Oh, okay, nothing. You don't know all this. So I'll play something.
Uli-uli natin, ma.
Roblox.
Hindi pa ba ako?
Mama baka.
Palawan na eh.
I'm not. Yahoo! Let's ay, join.
Doon siya, Amir. Tulog naman siya, Amir.
I want to sleep here. I want to sleep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I could just do what I really want. Run! Ato pa ako. Yeah, I'll never lose. Boom. Okay. Goodbye. Wait, wait.
Wala siyang galang minsan, natatapa ako.
Oh, man, I lost.
Yung lawas naman, si Jeffrey na, yung lawas si Monsi, wala hindi natin yan. Baka naman kasi hindi mo na ito ha. Tapos naman hindi ko ha. Yung bang ano niya, ang siya sa ano, sa ano niya na yan, kapakapin na yan, papain pa niya.
Nagigis ka din, ma?
Wow! Oh my god, I'm so slow.
Amir! You recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
You take a bath?
I'm gonna take a bath. Wow! I went to the mountain.
Where's your record? Where's your recording?
Here.
Oh, no, it's already...
Ano ba vitamin C?
Yung ano powder mo eh.
Well, let's leave the game because it's 3 minutes. I can chat though because I
Amir,
forgot.
I thought the Roblox was banned na.
Meron ka pa?
Na.
Na,
Wala. Meron lang ako
Ay,
yung
no,
bio
no.
flu diet ka.
Oh, wait.
Powder.